Steve Martin, Director of University Guidance, has shared some information on how to make the most of sixth form. This video is a roundup of that information. Please enjoy and stick around for a little message from Steve himself. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for updates when we upload more helpful videos. Steve has more than 30 years experience assisting families and students, supporting them to navigate the ins and outs of applying to university, so he is aware that many students and parents tend to start their UCAS preparation in Year 12. However, realistically, the sooner a student starts preparing for their university application, the better. That is why Steve is providing this information to help parents steer and guide their son or daughter in the right direction at the right time. Start planning for university at the beginning of sixth form. Starting your research at the beginning of Year 12 will ensure your research is completed before your exams, leaving you plenty of time to complete your personal statement before you return to Year 13. Make sure your subject choices reflect your aspirations. Use UCAS Hub or UniFrog to assist your research, and make sure you know additional requirements for your chosen university or courses. Plan your sixth form experience carefully. Sixth form can feel like a whirlwind. You will be incredibly busy and need to plan your 2 years accordingly. Develop a strategy for periods of intensity and rest to ensure that you're organised. Use a calendar and plan a consistent schedule to keep up good work ethic as well as time to wind down. Ensure you include periods of rest and note important dates for during the 2 years. Build a strong, appropriate academic profile. UK universities make admission decisions based on academics initially, so it is important to maintain a strong and consistent academic profile. Choose subjects that you are good at and enjoy that also meet your future aspirations. Remember to act upon feedback from teachers and mentors. Seek help and support early. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Build an irresistible personal profile. Academics will help you cross that first hurdle, yes. However, universities want to see the person behind the academic profile that you have submitted and impress them with. Show that you're a part of your community, plan activities outside of education, enhance your academics, show how you can be organised and let your personality shine throughout your interviews. How can we help you? The following slides will show an insight into the areas we can help you with when applying to university and ensuring you make the most of your time at sixth form. Pause on the next slide to read more.
Hello, my name's Steve Martin. I'm Director of University Guidance at the Independent Education Consultant. If you want some help from us, please feel free to reach out by the email in the description, and please could you subscribe to our YouTube videos if you like what you hear. Thank you.
Our friendly education experts are ready to help you with whatever your inquiry may be, so get in touch via the contact link or email us using the email noted in the description below.